Hi, this is Jay from Relaxus. I'm here to show you how to install a second foot pedal on your new Apollo table. Each Apollo table comes with an extra pedal at no extra cost. This will allow you to move your table up and down on either end. Step 1, raise the table to the top. This will allow you to have easy access to the motor. Step 2, take a screwdriver, insert it in the hole, and remove the cap. Step 3, gently unplug the pedal from the motor. Step 4, gently plug in the splitter into the motor and make sure the wires are aligned. Step 5, plug in each pedal to each end of the splitter. Step 6, put the cover back onto the motor and ensure it aligns with the wires. Hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you and have a great day.